Okay, oh, beautiful, yes!
You're a cheater at Jalapalooza, all right.
Your name, please?
Tony.
Tony, how you doing, Tony?
Tony.
Hey, Tony, how's it going, you know? Get that all the time?
Hey, Tony.
Down. All right, sorry. And your name, please? Matt. Let's hear it for Matt and Tony. And who do you think this we need? Bernie and Janet?
Yeah, that's what it says.
Bernie and Janet, come on up here. And for this scene, we are searching for something. What are we searching for?
Sex.
Wow. All right.
Please do something else.
No, we're going to go with that. No, it's all right. It's all right. You guys got the easy job. See, because what's going to happen in the scene is you guys are going to be supplying the sound effects for the scene. Yeah. So, yeah. So whenever you feel fit, they're gonna help you along, maybe with some sounds, or you can insert your own sounds.
I'm not inserting anything.
I'm going to stand out here.
I'm just going to put it right, Tony? You got to supply the sound effects for Bernie. And Tony, you're going to supply the, I'm sorry, I got that wrong. You're going to supply the sound effects for Bernie, and you're going to supply the sound effects for Janet. So you guys are searching for sex. Begin.
Bow chicka bow wow.
Here we are, WK4321, and we have a special interview today with a member of the Quaker sect. And we're looking for some sex, some information on sex. Okay? So, tell me, Quakers, are they different than Shakers? Like, you know, what is the sound of one hand shaking?
I thought we were going out looking for hookers.
I see. Evidently, my producer has given me a little bit of erroneous information today.
I came here because I was told this was Dial-A-Date.
I see. I'm just going to get my cell phone out here and call my producer for a second. Hold on. Jack, this guy, he thinks we're talking about, you know, SEX.
Ouch! 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 Stop inserting your finger there.
Cool radio station, midget.
Oh, so I do have to talk to him about sex on air. Family? Okay, thank you.
No kicking the midgets.
All right. So we're going to have an interview about your sex life.
Sweet.
Yes, it will be.
Maybe you can describe for me a little bit about the scene where you first had your, you know, first encounter.
How about this? We'll play a video. We'll play an audio clip that I brought. I think by pushing this button here, right?
I'll just put Mike down there with that. Yep. Here's the audio.
Yeah, I'm playing the audio tape. Click.
So, you like listening to R. Kelly?
I love R. Kelly.
Not exactly the audio tape that I thought I was bringing.